The Kyota Kofuko massage chair is perfect for a discerning user who's looking for simplicity, value, and convenience. Built with all users in mind, when you start the chair, it scans the user's body to make micro adjustments to your body's specifics. From your shoulder and neck all the way down to the soles of your feet, the Kofuko is a full-body massage chair that kneads away soreness and relieves tension wherever it touches. Using technology that was created by NASA, the E330 features 3 zero-gravity positions that raise your legs and feet above your heart, reducing the strain on your cardiovascular muscles and promoting blood flow. Using an intricate system of airbags, this chair features unique palm and arm compression massage, as well as high-quality shoulder, foot, and calf compression massage. The E330 also has an amazing reflexology massage and a spring-loaded, auto-adjust leg length feature. This chair was crafted with the best massage technology around. It was designed to be used daily and deliver an amazing massage every single time. This chair also features space-saving zero-wall technology, which means the back of the chair can be placed 2 inches from any wall, allowing for a perfect fit into any home. This chair is available in 3 different colors: slate black with the brown interior, brown with the black interior, and a cream and tan. Keep your eye out for the E330 Kofuko massage chair.